Hey guys, welcome back to your bass lessons. Today's video we'll be looking at alternative plucking. Very important for those who have just started how to play the bass guitar. So if you're interested and you are lacking this plucking technique, I recommend you watch this video to the end. Okay, I also do private class lesson. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to our WhatsApp. Grab a bass and let's begin with this breakdown. I'll be showing you the note he played so that you can start practicing on your own. So normally to beginners he was playing on key C, but this is another different scale he was playing. But you as a beginner, let me just try and break it down easily for you. Okay, so the first one he played was like this. That was what he played. Okay, so it is on your 3, your 1, your 7, your 6, and your 3. I'll say this is somehow going to be challenging. Let me show you. You are plucking this note, these 3 notes very fast, and if you don't know the correct finger to give to this note, you won't be able to play it very fast. Okay, so you do it this way. Your middle finger place on the 3, your 3rd finger place on your 1. You understand? And now your middle finger comes, that's your 2nd finger comes to play your 7. So okay, so remember that you're supposed to pluck with these 2 fingers. Okay, you can just start with the 1st finger then continue with the rest. Okay, your 6. When you don't play in your 6, then now this your 1st finger will play the 3, so it will be easy for you. Don't be in a hurry, just take it slow. Go. Remember your fingers. You understand? Okay, and the 2nd one goes like this. Okay, your 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 6 flat. You have your 2 and your 1 and your 7. Okay, you understand? So you descend from your 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, your 6 flat, 2, 1, 7. So make sure you take it slow, block it the right way. Okay, and also the 3rd one goes like this. Okay, so you're starting from your 6, 1, 7, 6, 6 flats, then you have your 1 sharp, your 6 flats, and your 6.